To cast from your browser, install the Chrome extension Custom UserAgent String to Chrome on your PC. This will let you effectively change your PC's Chrome version into one designed for smart TVs, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, or other devices. You can set this to only apply for specific websites, so we are applying it to the YouTube site designed for cast requests. Select Open Options page. In the Enter a Desired URL box, enter this URL. Then, in the big box next to that, enter this. After you've filled both boxes, click the plus icon to the right to confirm the Custom UserAgent String. On Chrome, go to youtube.com/TV, click Get Started, and scan the QR code on the screen with your phone to sign in. On the YouTube app on your phone, click the cast icon near the top right and select Link with TV code. Jump back to YouTube on Chrome on your PC and click Settings, then Link with TV code. Enter this code on your phone. Now, when you tap the cast icon at the top of your YouTube app on your phone, your PC should appear as a device you can stream to, though it'll most likely be called something like YouTube on TV.